Get out of the car, the window gets smashed.
No.
Get out of the car.
Officer?
Get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
For what?
Just get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
No.
Do yourself a favor and just get out.
No, please. No, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm very scared. I have debilitating anxiety.
Okay, listen, here's the deal, all right? If you have such anxiety, okay, you're flying down the road, then you try ducking me down some side streets, pulling into a parking lot, and shutting your lights off, pretending I didn't see you.
That wasn't
okay?
what it was. I was pulling off the
not
side
to
of the
mention,
road.
you don't have a license.
I do have a license.
It's suspended.
No, it's not.
It is.
My license is not suspended.
Okay, I just ran it. The state
My
of Rhode
license.
Stop.
As of when?
As of last year.
No, my license is.
Why are we screaming? Why are we screaming?
Because my license. Jimmy, they're saying my license is suspended as of last year. That's. No, my license, Jimmy.
Can you come get her?
Listen to them.
Jimmy, are you listening?
Stop!
No, Jimmy, are you listening to them?
I wouldn't listen.
Just relax.
Jimmy, is there any way you can come get her?
Yeah, I can come get her.
Come get her, please.
They're saying my license is suspended.
Stop! Why are you screaming?
Jimmy, shut up!
Oof.
They're saying
Fucking hang right up.
they are saying my license is suspended as of.
They just asked me if I could come get you. I can come get you right
Are you listening, Jimmy?
Yes.
They're saying my license is suspended as of last
How much
year.
you have anything to drink tonight?
Or I can come get you, please.
Behind the
I just got off of work.
at a bar.
Where can I come get you? Where can I come get you?
They just said that my license is suspended as of
Hold on. Stop talking, Jimmy.
Excuse
Stop.
me. No, officer.
You're working your way into jail, okay? I'm going to tell you that right now. Just stop talking and let me talk to Jimmy.
My license is suspended, Jimmy. Jimmy, no, Jimmy. Jimmy, you shut up. And they said my license is suspended as of last year. I'm calling mommy.
Shut up.
I'll be calling mommy.
Talk to mommy like that, I'm sure she's gonna fucking hang up on you too.
You know, I was having Jimmy come pick you up, but you hung up on him, so I couldn't even tell him where you're at.
Mommy is headed City Highway.
I don't care what your mommy is. You're
Hi,
not gonna be the
Mommy.
president of the United States.
Hi, mommy. So I'm driving home from work, and these officers are saying that my license has been suspended since last year.
No, that was reinstated when you went to court.
I'm telling you right now, I just ran it. It comes back as suspended.
Yeah, my license comes back as suspended. So I'm sitting right outside of Taco. Taco is right there.
Taco's right there.
Taco's right there.
This isn't Taco.
Yep, that's Taco. That is Taco.
How much you had to drink tonight?
All right, what's the difference? Don't argue with him.
He's being what's your badge number?
Sergeant DeCosta.
Sergeant DeCosta.
This is all on camera. It's all on camera, the whole thing.
Right here.
Sorry, that's
See this
not
right
really-
here?
Yeah,
doesn't
it
help in
is.
your cause.
Mommy,
No,
I didn't do anything wrong.
Where you going?
I was trying to come home,
I thought you were going to your boyfriend's house.
which is right next to my mom's house, you fucking asshole.
Well, you know what, Kate? If you're gonna be like that,
Mom,
you're gonna end up in trouble.
Yep, she's right. Your mom's right.
no, I'm damn not. Can you please come? They're not giving me space to talk to you alone. They followed me. I was driving right. They followed me all the way fucking to this parking lot. I hid here because I was being followed home, and now Sergeant DeCosta is standing outside of my car.
The funny part is, we're trying to get you out of here because clearly, and they don't want to deal with you either.
Oh, they just said that you and Jimmy both don't want to deal with me.
You talk to everyone like shit.
Because I'm a piece of shit. Because I'm a piece of shit. They need to get away from me.
I said you talk to everyone like shit.
Mommy, you need to fucking get here.
Someone come get here.
Are they gonna? They said if somebody shows up here, they'll let me fucking go. But close my fucking door, please, and thank you.
Listen, you're not in charge of this car stop, okay? You're working your way into jail. Keep running your mouth.
Mommy, I'm not a nigga. I ain't no nigga.
That's nice.
That's real nice.
That's real good.
Yeah, I ain't no fucking nigga.
Real good.
Work on that.
You should work on that.
You should work on that.
You have an anger problem.
You should work on that.
You have an anger problem.
You should work on that. Get them the fuck away from me. These people do not know. Tell him where I am. No, they won't. They told me I have to tell you where I am.
I'd love to tell them where you're at, but you keep screaming at everybody.
Tell my mom where I am. Tell my mom where I am.
Where does your mom work again?
City Highway Department.
camera footage go out, sees you acting like this, how that's gonna look on her.
I can't wait.
Yeah, me
I
either.
can't wait. She's been there 30
This is
years.
gonna look terrible.
You.
Yeah.
Tell my mother where I am.
She is behind the Cranston Senior Center if you'd like to come pick up this lovely lady.
This lovely lady.
Someone come get her.
This lovely lady. Tell her my name. Do you have my name? Do you have my name? What's my name?
You're hanging up on everyone that's trying to help you.
I don't know, seriously.
I don't understand it. I don't understand.
Shut your fucking mouth and don't say another word to them cops. Don't say another word, you are
Tell me what your badge numbers are.
You're obviously videotaping it so you can read it off my shirt.
No, I can't. I don't have my glasses on, so tell me your badge numbers. It's facing me and I can't turn it around. So what's your badge number? Say it, sir.
You can read it.
Sir, so what's your badge number, sir?
You can read it.
Sir, what is your badge number?
You can read it.
Sir, what is your badge number? No, I can't. I don't have my fucking glasses. If I can't get out of my car. 408, what's yours? 513.
Actually, you know what?
513. Yeah.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I was at work all night.
Yep, and you work at a bar. When you just step out of the car to scream in my face, I detected a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage emanating from your breath.
I'm
So I'm going to ask you to do a field sobriety test.
I'm not doing it.
Then you're going to go to jail.
I'm not
Step
doing
out of the
it.
car.
No, I'm not doing it.
Step out of the car.
Sir, I'm not doing it.
Step out of the car.
No, I'm not doing it. No, I'm not doing it. Don't do that to me.
Well, you
Well,
did everything to
you walked
yourself.
away. You got out of your car and screamed in my face.
You didn't give me your
Where-
badge number.
Where I can smell your breath.
You did not give me your
Get out of
badge
the car.
number.
Get out of the car.
You did not give me your badge number.
I'm asking you one last time to get out of your car.
No, sir, don't do that to me. You didn't give me your badge number.
I think you've been drinking a little bit,
No, I haven't drank.
and I'd like you to do a field sobriety test.
No,
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
no, sir.
Step out of the
No,
car.
sir.
All right, last chance. You're going to jail.
No, sir, I'm not doing that. This is excessive.
It's not excessive. We haven't done anything to you yet, except for
Sir,
asking you to get out of the
I
car.
asked you your badge number. You made me come out of the car. I'm not doing this. Please don't do this to me. Please. This is the rest of my life. Please don't do this to
You
me.
did this to yourself. Step out of the car.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not doing it.
Step out.
No.
Last chance.
No, my mom and somebody else is coming in here. Please, sir, no.
Get out.
No.
No, we're not doing this anymore.
No, please.
We're not doing this anymore.
No.
Get out of the car. We're not doing this anymore, okay? I this game anymore. Enough.
I didn't do anything.
Relax.
No.
Relax. Just put her on the ground. Put her on the ground. Relax. Listen, relax.
No.
Relax. Just go down.
I didn't do anything.
Just relax.
Please don't do this to me. Please.
All right, hang your heads underneath.
No, please. I have debilitating anxiety. Please, my mom is coming. My mom is right there. My mom. No, my mom. My mom is right there. No, my mom is right there. My mom is on Cranston Street. She's coming. Please, my mom is coming. Please. No, please. Please do not.
Listen, do you have anything?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Have what on me?
Anything to hurt us or yourself?
No. Please.
Okay.
No, please. No. No, please.
Check your pockets.
Can you please give me my slippers?
got something in this hand right here.
Can you please? It's my jewel.
Alright, I got it.
Relax. We got it.
My jewel charger is on the ground. Please, it's right there. Can you please, can somebody fix my sock? Can somebody fix my Please,
Sit in the car. Relax.
please, somebody fix
We'll fix it in a second.
I have debilitating. I need my Xanax. I need my...
Relax.
Please, no, I have officers. I have debilitating.
All right, listen.
Please, somebody fix. Please, sir, please fix my son. No, please, sir, fix my son. Department, she is on the way down here. Please, my mommy is coming. My mom.
All right, listen. You're suspected of driving under the influence of intoxicating liquor and or drugs. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to answer any questions or give statements. If you answer questions or give statements, they can and will be used as evidence against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you.
Please don't do this.
The right to be examined at your own expense.
My mom is...
Immediately by a physician selected by you.
Pick me up. You told me they can pick me
You will be
up.
afforded a reasonable opportunity to exercise this right.
Let
You're gonna go to jail for vandalism.
Please, my shoes.
I have your shoes. Relax.
My phone.
You need to relax. Calm down. Take some deep breaths.
That's my mom. That's my mom in the bathtub. Please, just let me go, please. Sir, please, just let me go. Mom.
Really?
Sir, please, just let me go. That's my mom. Sir, please, just let me go. That's my mommy. Please, it's my mommy. Please. Please, that's my mommy. Please. I can't afford 2 DUIs in my fucking insurance, please. That's my mommy. Can I have my phone?
I have your phone.
Give me my phone, please. Please don't charge me another DUI. I want my mom.
Put your hands behind your back.
I want my mom.
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
want my mom.
Put your hand behind your back.
I want my mom. I have debilitating anxiety with Klonopin.
Put your hand behind your back and stop resisting.
Sir,
Stop resisting.
Sir, I'm not resisting.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Sir, I'm small.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Sorry, I have
Put your other hand behind your back.
Oh, sir, I'm small. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Sir, you're hurting me. Ow, you're hurting me. Ow. Sir, you're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me.
Put your hand behind your back and stop.
You're hurting me.
We won't hurt you if you stop. Just listen to us.
I have a shoulder injury. Sir, I have a shoulder injury. No, it's not. Sir, I can't put my arm behind my back that way. It hurt. Do you still have your body cam on? No. No, I want to. No, sir. No.
How you stay there?
No. I can't. I have debilitating anxiety diagnosed. 538 near me. I want him to get away from me. I can't calm down. I don't want him near me. Or him. 538 or 508. I don't want him near me. I don't want them near me.
508's not yet. This is 408.
408 too. I don't want to talk to either of them. No.
You don't get an option. I'm the one arresting you. You could have a seat in that chair over here.
I have debilitating anxiety.
We just want to get you through this out, right? You gotta calm down and work with us.
I don't.
Calm down and work with us. Listen, shh. He's gonna read you something. We're gonna try and work to get you out. You have to calm down.
I can't.
You're gonna sit.
It really, my anxiety, please, officers, I'm asking you, I will sit. Can you please just take these off of my
That's
wrist?
not up to me.
I'm gonna take them all. If you do anything stupid, they're going right back
I
on.
swear to God, I won't do anything stupid. I was
Turn
listening.
around, boy. Turn around, relax.
So my insurance is $1,800 a month. I already had one DUI. I can't afford another one. That's why I hid in that parking lot because I was leaving my ex home and I dropped you off and then I saw you guys.
Just calm down. We're gonna try and get you out of here as fast as we
Hey,
can.
I gotta read this to you, all right?
Please don't give me a second one.
I have to read this to you, all right?
But the only reason that I got out of the car is because you asked me.
I did. And what you got right in my face, I smelled the overwhelming odor of alcohol.
I had
Then
two beers.
But listen,
But I had
Katie,
two beers.
Katie.
Come on,
listen,
man.
Can you hear me?
But I can't afford it. Why, please?
Let me know when it's ready to turn it
Please, but please, I can't. My insurance is already $1,800 a month. I'm gonna kill myself now. And now this is why I kill myself. No, this is why I kill myself. No, but I can't, you can't give me another DUI. Please.
Let me know when I can do this.
The only reason I was outside of the driver's seat was because you made me read your badge number.
I didn't make you do anything, okay?
He said, what's my badge number? And he made me get out of the driver's seat. He made me get out of the driver's seat. I was sitting there.
All right, he's not the one running this. I'm the one running this.
I'm speaking to
All right.
you.
So
I'm
do you wanna-
talking. I would like to speak
Have
to
a
my
seat.
mother.
Have a seat.
No, I don't like you.
It doesn't matter if you like me or not.
I don't like you.
I am the arresting
want
officer.
Where
You can make a phone call right here.
Where is my phone?
I have your phone.
Can I have it?
You can make a phone call right
Can
here.
I have it to find my
No.
phone numbers?
Listen, you don't bark orders here.
Can I have it to find my phone number to call my mom? I don't know my mom's phone number off the
So
top
you
of
get
my
her cell
head.
phone so she can get her mother's phone number, please? You're not going to dictate how this goes, okay? This isn't my first day on the job. Have a seat.
I'm not having a seat.
mom's number.
Can I have my phone?
That's your mom's phone number.
I would like my phone.
Doesn't matter. That's not how this
Where is
goes.
she? Is my mom out there? Is my mom out there?
She's not home. She's not home.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
What do I have to do? Do I dial 9?
Just dial the number.
Catherine Bailey was charged with DU, a first offense with unknown BAC, refusal to submit to a chemical test, her second such refusal, and resisting arrest. She was also cited for operating with a suspended license. Following the arrest, she was transported to Rhode Island Hospital for a psychiatric evaluation and released the same morning. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axiom Cam and hit the notification bell.